everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in the Mercedes E-Class E350 Coupe. So make sure when you order this unit from our website, order the right part, which is the bracket is different from the sedan, and that's how the unit looks like. As you can see, it's fully touch. Also, you can use the knob to scroll left and right, and you can go back to factory mode without any problem. The car came with navigation already, and that's the factory backup camera. By touching the screen, we go to the aftermarket mode. All the apps are there. We can go to Google Maps, we can go to Waze, we can install any apps that we like. We can add Apple CarPlay to this unit, but this customer is using Android phone, so we didn't do the Apple CarPlay for him. Also, you can watch full screen videos. And here you can see how the unit fits. Like, the screen came out and this bracket went to the factory spot of the screen, and there is no gap, so everything looks perfectly fine. And also there is like offline maps, and you can add DVR, and the dashboard, it reads the RPM and speed of the car. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call. We are in Toronto, we are in Markham, and our phone number is 905-604-4294, and we can install these units for you. Thank you and have a great day.